morning sunshine. It's a beautiful day.
Sunshine. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day filled with joy and all the beautiful things life has to offer. Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you're here. Let's explore this beautiful world together and have a wonderful time. Feeling the magic of nature today. It's so peaceful and beautiful out here. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. It was quite a remarkable achievement, wouldn't you agree? Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more enchanting content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our magical adventures.